Welcome to another vlog. This is my first vlog of the year. Yay! So today you're following me to doing a slow day. So I have 2 sessions. Earlier, one of my team members, she had 1 session. So it's a very slow day. That's only 3 sessions. Today's been a great day though so far. I had a finance meeting. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what my agenda was. I try to post my agenda almost every day. Today is Monday. I had a finance meeting earlier today, so that was really cool to go over the numbers from last year. I'm investing in a stylist, so I had a stylist consultation, so that was really cool, trying to step my game up. You know, can't be wearing scrubs and, you know, appointment gear all the time. And then now I have some sessions. Before it was time to be on my way to do these sessions, my team member, the appointment that she had today, so that appointment that she had today, that was a single session, so that was 1:30. It was a mobile session, and that same client who had my team member Ty, she called and she was like, hey, I want to get the 10 session package. So she got the package. I checked her out for another appointment for tomorrow, and so that's great. So that lets, you know, my team member Ty know that she's going to be busy, you know, with that client. And now today I have 2 clients. One is a returning client, and they see me at the private location because I don't do mobile anymore. If I do mobile, it's only to train or it's to supervise another appointment, because I try to, you know, check up on clients that I haven't met. I don't really need to do that, but I like to do that anyways. I'm talking a lot. All in all, I have 2 sessions today. We already sold a package. I have an intent to sell another package today, possibly 2 packages today, or 2 more packages today. And I'm gonna try my best to film, you know, some of the session or whatever I can film. So I have about 25 minutes to get to the spa. I'm honestly running a little bit behind. But I think I can get there before my client so I can set up, turn the table warmer on, all that good stuff. Don't it feel like when you have somewhere to be and you're running a little bit behind that everyone in traffic is going so slow? Like, drive. But I know you're not supposed to be rushed when you're driving. I get it. Okay, so we are here. Got my water, got my sheets, although I did forget to do some laundry, but it'll be okay. Got my purse, got some more gloves. Yes, get my key. Okay, let's go in and set up. Got my Aldi's bag. I have a bra and I have a panty. I always do these at every session. My team always uses these This is just for more modesty when we do the appointment, so the client doesn't have to be naked. I'm gonna set this over there. So now I'm just gonna wait for my client to arrive. I'm about to go over their intake form, make sure that they filled out their intake form. And if not, I'll just have them fill it out here. Yeah, so we have about 3 minutes until this appointment. So this is a new client, so I go through a whole new client spiel. I actually have a checklist on my phone. I make sure I check it off. And I also have it on the iPad as well, so I can check it off, make sure I'm hitting all the marks, saying all the things that, I need to say to make sure that, customer service is consistent for each and every appointment. Let me go see if they filled out an intake form. Yeah. So again, today is a little bit of a slow day. This is what we're looking at for today. So yeah, so that's okay. But still very grateful for all the clients that come through. I'm about to go out to the front to see if they are here, and I will be right back. This is actually going to be a BBL with tummy tuck clients, so that's not usual where it's BBL and tummy tuck at the same time, but that's okay. I already know what to do. So we'll see how much of the session I can actually film, but I can't be certain it'll be a lot. I'll be back. I'm somewhat filming, just for educational purposes. Okay, awesome. But no faces are gonna be in. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so. All right. Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's see. So I have your intake form here. Let me open this and just, talk to both y'all to make sure I got everything correct. Okay. So the last session was January the 14th. Mm-hmm. How many sessions was in your package after surgery?
With her surgery, it came a certain amount. She doesn't remember exactly how many.
Okay.
But she said that she did purchase extras.
Okay.
Because she just wanted to make sure to get all the fluids out.
Right.
But she doesn't know exactly how many there are.
Okay. Are you wearing the faja?
See.
Okay, awesome. So you'll get out of your faja. I have a bra panty right here. So you won't get on the table yet.
No te vas a subir todavía. Porque te va a ver.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And then I'll be talking a lot throughout the session, just so you know what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, all that stuff. Okay. Just another question. Was there incisional draining when you did your massages?
Yeah, she had the drains in.
Oh, right, because there was a tummy tuck, correct?
Yeah, okay. So she had it in, and then I think Wednesday, it was a Wednesday they took it out. Mm-hmm. They said that she kept doing massages after, and then they said she had still a little bit of fluid, so they had to get like a syringe and take it out through her, like where the drainage was. Okay, and how long ago did the drain come out? The 11th. The 11th? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, awesome. So what I'll do, I'm just gonna wash my hands, let her change into this. Okay. I'm gonna grab this real quick too. Before we get started, we're just gonna take some before and after, just so you can kind of see the difference. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my hands one more time. Turn the music up.
Relaxing.
Yes. How to make sure you're relaxed.
I love relax.
Yes. Let me get my gloves. Okay. I'm just gonna feel around. Too much, if it's too much pain, or if it's too uncomfortable. All right. So I know y'all saw that disclaimer that just came up on the screen. This is not a massage tutorial. You do need a certification in addition to licensure when it comes to post-op lymphatic drainage massage. I am a continuing education provider specifically for cosmetic surgery post-op, so if you want more info on how to get certified, then look in the description box. So a lot of fluid can accumulate here, especially if you're not getting enough like massage. Because we want to make sure she's getting enough circulation in addition to the compression. But if you're only getting compression, then like that fluid has nowhere to escape. Exactly. So something that I'm doing, I'm going, and this is what she'll do with her self-massage too. You're gonna go down like towards the incisions. You're gonna scoop the fluid. I can actually feel it moving in her body. But you're gonna scoop it and then you're gonna push it up to this area right here because this is a drainage site. So if I can push the fluid here, that's how she's gonna drain, and she's gonna feel like she has to pee after the session because that's the main way she's gonna drain now that her incisions are closed is through urine output.
So she should be doing massage on her own too?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna come straight to you after I get mine.
What are you getting? Are you getting BBL? Getting lipo?
Yeah, I'm supposed to get the same thing as her, like boobs, stomach, and butt. Because I'm actually gonna get like the full BBL. Okay. So I'm talking about sitting because I was like, I don't think it's. I was like, I've never heard of people sitting after BBL.
You usually can't because you'll lose, the fat.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, it's the cells die.
Almost immediately, but yeah, if you get a full BBL, you won't be sitting for about usually 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can actually feel the fluid kind of moving, so that's a good sign. Another thing that is good so far is on the sides, it's not very hard. I try to feel around to make sure there's no area that feels like stiff or hard or like lumpy, because that's not good. Something that's gonna help me is if you breathe a little bit deeper, so if you can do like deeper breaths. And also, let me know if it's too much or if it's all right, because we don't want to bruise you. I'm just gonna have you lift this arm. Is that comfortable for you?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get underneath here. Is your arm relaxed or is it? Okay, so just want to make sure you relax it. So for the arm, the drainage site is gonna be pretty much the armpit. So even if you ever feel like heavy or you feel swollen, you'll just want to take your hand and go towards the armpit. And honestly, even if it's not feeling like swollen, I would say still incorporate this with your self-massage because you want to get as much drainage as possible.
She should be doing this massage on herself, or?
Yeah, so by the end of this session, I'll be able to say like how many you'll need. But in between your sessions, you will want to do self-massage every single day. So at least 10 minutes a day on the stomach. When it comes to like your breast area, just at least feel around, make sure everything feels okay. So I would say maybe 5 minutes a day for that. And that's about it. So stomach mostly, and then it's just gonna be going in that U-shaped motion. And I'll show you again at the end. So every time you come in for your session, I'm gonna be like, did you do some self-massage? It's kind of like homework. Okay, so I'll have you put your arm back. Awesome. Turn this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna have you face down, and I'm gonna drape you when I come back inside.
Okay.
Other than that, is there anything going on today or anything that's out of the normal? Okay, cool. So have you been doing some self-massage in between your sessions? Somewhat? Okay,
Yeah.
that's real. That's real. Y'all see me smiling because I love what I do. I love our clients. I love that I get to help people on a regular basis. And this is my second client of the night. My first client did not get a package, and that's okay. They booked their next appointment. And yeah, let's see how I close out the session. Okay, so let me see. And then, of course, we can schedule your following session.
Okay.
But let me check this out for you.
Okay.
Okay, so it's just... I feel so awkward counting it in front of you. I feel like... Do you know when you'd like to come back again? I do have Thursday evening.
That's fine.
Thursday, let me tell you what time.
Okay.
calendar. And then did you want a receipt for your package?
No.
Okay, got it. Okay, so Thursday I have, yeah, so you can do twice a week.
Okay.
Really just depends on my availability, but I'm usually here at least twice a week,
Okay.
3 times a week.
Okay.
Okay, you are all set.
Okay.
All right. So let me go ahead and send that confirmation.
Okay.
You are all set. I'll see you on Thursday at 6:30.
All right. Thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Have a great rest of your night. Okay, so now we're just gonna clean up. Just sold our biggest package yet to date. Was not expecting it to be in all cash, but you know, that's okay. Here. But yeah, today was a good day. Okay, so it's the end of the day. I've disinfected everything. My client just left, so I kind of just want to debrief today. Let my hair down a little bit. I'm so exhausted. Even though I just did 2 sessions, but it's a lot of work. So we just sold our biggest package ever to date. This is a new package that I'm introducing for 2023, and it's 20 sessions. It has a lot of different things included, including like in addition to their massages. And yeah, I was not expecting her to pay in cash, so that was surprising. Yeah, very, very surprising. So let me see here. I actually have a cash counter on here. I know you're not supposed to count after the client leaves, but it is what it is. I felt overwhelmed. Let me see here. But yeah, this is our biggest. So I have a deposit to make. I need to go ahead and make a bank deposit. So I'm gonna put this into Square. Yeah, I'm just gonna manually enter it. So let me show y'all another thing. So we just checked out my last client, the client before that. They did not get a package. I'm gonna send them an email with all the different package options. But something I do after every single client is I create a treatment plan for them. So let me show you what that looks like. These are for my treatment plan. So I would be changing this up. I would show them like what we're focusing on today and so on and so forth. And I actually sell these templates. So I'll go ahead and put the link to this below, but it comes with an intake form, also comes with the treatment plan, soap notes, and a COVID consent form. So that's something I'm gonna send to the client, and I'm also gonna include my recommendations for massages and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching the first vlog of the year. This was super fun. It was a little everywhere, but that's real. I mean, that's real, right? Like sometimes we have sessions and we feel a little bit overwhelmed or we feel a little bit rushed, but it all ends up okay. So today was a $3,000 day. So that's not too bad for only having 3 clients today. That's crazy. So super, super grateful. But I'm gonna put some links down below, like all different resources, all that good stuff. I look forward to the different types of content I'm gonna be putting out this year for you all. Comment below if you enjoyed this vlog or if you wanna see more vlogs, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.